Hello everyone! You're watching Galileo Sky how-to videos. My name is Andrew and I represent Galileo Sky technical support team. Today we will show you how to use EasyLogic technology to save mobile traffic costs when working in roaming. This simple algorithm can be used by companies that deal with international shipments, logistics, or work in different countries, since it helps to control roaming expenses at the same time allowing to receive latest data from the device. The algorithm's working scheme is pretty simple. Outside the home region, the tracker will periodically turn off the GSM module and then enable it for short periods of time, during which the most recent data from the tracker will be sent to the monitoring software. First, the algorithm checks if the tracker is registered in GSM network using the MCC parameter. This variable is equal to mobile country code of the connection the tracker created. Tracker compares the received MCC value with home region code. In our algorithm, we used Russian code. If the code is different from the home region, the tracker automatically disables the GSM unit for a period of 6 hours and stops sending data to reduce traffic costs. During this, all navigation data, sensor values and other information is stored on the tracker internal memory. After 6 hours, tracker enables the GSM unit for 10 minutes, during which it sends most recent data as well as saved points to the server. After 10 minutes, it again compares current MCC with home region. When being in home region, the tracker starts sending data without any limitations and creates all saved track, including the one that was made during roaming mode. In addition, you can set different schemes for different regions or mobile operators. After the algorithm is installed, the tracker is ready for use. If you have any questions left, write them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay notified about our latest videos. Bye everyone!